Welcome back to Innovin Foods. Today we are making crispy bread aloo sandwich. Golden outside, soft and flavorful inside. Let's start the recipe. Take 2 boiled potatoes, mash them well. Add 1 tablespoon onion, 2 green chili, 1 tablespoon carrot, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon red chili powder, a pinch of turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala, and 1 teaspoon coriander leaves. Mix everything into a smooth filling. Add grated cheese in the filling for extra gooiness. Did you know potatoes are the fourth most consumed food crop in the world after rice, wheat, and corn? Now take bread slices, cut off the edges. Street vendors in India often prepare aloo sandwiches on charcoal stoves for a smoky taste. Spread the potato filling. Carrots add both color and nutrition. They are rich in beta-carotene, which is great for the eyes. Place a cheese slice and cover with another bread. Now prepare slurry. Take 3 tablespoons flour and 1/4 cup water. Mix well. Dip the sandwich in slurry, coat with breadcrumbs. Make sure the bread edges are sealed properly to avoid oil soaking inside. Breadcrumbs not only add crunch but also lock in the moisture of the filling. Fry in medium heated oil. Keep the heat low and fry until golden and crispy. Always fry on low-medium heat for even crispiness. Potatoes are a good source of vitamin C and potassium. Carrots in this recipe add dietary fiber and antioxidants. Using less oil can make this a healthier air-fried option. Moderate spices make it safe and enjoyable for kids too. And that's it, a perfect tea time snack. Crunchy outside, cheesy and spicy inside, perfect for snack or evening tea. Would you like this ketchup or green chutney? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Innovin Foods.